What's going on, y'all? Welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making creamy Cajun corn. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you'll need corn, garlic, parsley, butter, heavy whipping cream, Parmesan cheese, Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and cayenne pepper. Begin by mincing 4 cloves of garlic, shred Parmesan cheese, broil or steam corn for 15 minutes, For the sauce, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add minced garlic and cook until fragrant. Add 1 cup of heavy whipping cream, bring to a simmer, and allow to cook for 3 minutes. Season with Creole seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne pepper, and paprika. Cut the heat and add 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese. Coat the corn in the sauce. Top with Parmesan cheese, red pepper flakes, and parsley. And there you have it, creamy Cajun corn. We hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everybody you know,
them MFers be cooking.